All right, it's a little cold today, but we are at the home improvement store. Picked up some 2x6x10s, 2x6x12s, a little bit of concrete, and some paver stones. Now we just need to load up all of this in the mini truck, head back to the mountain, get to work. Now we're probably overloaded a little bit back there, and we're hanging out about 6 feet out of the back of the bed, so that's about right. Other than our defroster not keeping up, it's kind of a pretty day out here, but it is pretty cold. All right, we made it up here on the mountain. We just got to get all this stuff unloaded. And I think at first we're just going to take it out of here and put it under this covered area in case it rains a little bit. And this is where we're going to be building our new deck out this way. It should come out pretty nice, I think. All right, we got the truck unloaded. We need to go pick up some tools. Probably need a chainsaw to clear that up a little bit. Definitely going to need a shovel and maybe a rake to clean this mess up. And then we can start laying out the frame. Sounds like a plan. I went ahead and picked up the generator, some extra gas, a long tape measure, a chalk line, some screws, a screw gun, a chainsaw, some gloves, an extension cord, a circular saw, a shovel, a pick, and a rake. Now, if we can't get it done with all that, it doesn't need to be done today. So I'm not really sure where we should start. I think the easiest thing to do would be survey, make sure we have enough width here. Maybe get the chainsaw, clean up this mess down here. Just sweep it out a little bit so we don't trip on anything. That sounds like a good start. All right, we measured 10 feet off of that structure there, and it goes right to this rock, which means this little twig needs to get cut down. And behind us, this little tree needs to go. That little trip hazard. Get some of these logs out of here. Man, that's a lot of work. That's all right. It's a nice day out. All right, that took entirely more work than I expected, but we got all the trees out of here, all the way to that back corner, and we're about 3 feet past where we're going to be building, so that's good. I think the next thing we need to do, up here in this front, dig back this ledge the full 10 feet, and get a board level going across there to make sure we're level. We have a bunch of roots in here. Not sure what the right answer for that is. And we got to dig this back a little bit. It might be worth going to get the excavator just to dig this thing pretty quick. We'll first try it the old-fashioned way. All right, let's see if that works. All right, we have this dug down deep enough. Should be okay. Now in a perfect world, we'd dig about a foot behind here so we could shoot nails in for all the stringers or joists that are going to run across. But for today, we're just going to put this in. We can dig that out later. Now when we put the roof on the RV barn, we actually put some 2x4s on the outside here to help stiffen up the roof. Actually just stiffen up the post. We're going to leave those on, and I'm just going to shoot some 2x6s in occasionally, and that way we can sister this next joist right up to what we already have. We're going to put legs under it eventually, but for now let's just get it up there. Now on this end, the 2x10 going across the front is going to be recessed by 1.5 inches, which is the thickness of this 2x4. Out here on the outside, we don't really have that luxury because we nailed these right on the corner. So we need to make sure to cut 1.5 inches off of the 2x10 that's going to be this outside rim joist, just so it's even with the front. We could always cut it off later on the outside edge. Maybe we'll do that. All right, this is going to be like a monkey on a football situation. I have to pick this 2x10 up, screw it to the end of that with 3 screws, put another 2x6x12 over there, screw that into it, and then try to level it all up, all by myself. It'd be nice if it went right the first time. All right, so that gives us 1.5 inches relief to put that thing back there. Let's go work on that side. You know, instead of working on that outside edge, let's get this secured where it's supposed to go. We can always pick that one up and down as needed, and then we'll sort that out in a minute. All right, so we temporarily screwed a 2x4 here so that we could pick this thing up and rest it on there so it doesn't go anywhere. Now we need to pull that front corner where it goes and screw it in. That looks pretty good. It's all straight and even with the floorboards on the other side of the deck. Now we are going to come back with the nail gun later and shoot a lot of nails in this, so don't worry, it's not going to fall. I think the next step is to screw a 2x12 to this, sticking out this way, and then we'll level that corner. That sounds like a plan. All right, we built some temporary legs out here at this end to hold this nice and level while we go screw that together. It was just too wonky without the support, and I don't want it to be wonky. At least a little bit. I think the next thing we need to do is put a temporary leg somewhere in here to bring this up about 2 inches. Even with our little framing square level, it's about half a bubble out of level. So let's get that picked up. All right, about 3 scrap boards and we're nice and level. We can move on to the harder part. We need to screw a 2x6x12 along this outside edge. And I didn't bring the ladder up this time. Bad planning. So it might be difficult to get out there, but we'll give it a try. All right, we repositioned our temporary blocks. We put one there and one way out here. And the problem with the way out here is it's about 7 feet up in the air. But I think we can lay up on the deck, hang over the side, and screw it in. We only need a couple screws in there to hold it for right now. All right, so we got this 2x12 in, the front 2x10, a 2x12, and a 2x12. But because I didn't bring a ladder, I also need some clamps to help me secure some wood. We're gonna have to come back to put the 2x10 across the back and the 2x12 this way. And the leg will have to go down here. We'll have to put a temporary leg in. So until tomorrow, you guys get outside, do something fun, come back and tell me about it.